Hello, good afternoon. My name is Nancy Diaz. In this day, I'm going to talk about what I with animal would I like to have. I like the lion because your ears is very soft and your face is very beautiful and your teeth is very large. But I cannot a lion in my house because my family has a children and the lion is very dangerous with the children, and I have neighbor and my neighbor has also children, and then I'm very sad because I don't can a lion in my house. I can sit only in Zoom. It's okay. Don't have problem. Thank you for your attention and have a good day. Bye.